What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, back out in the barn. I told you every little bit I'm gonna make a video. I did a short the other day, but today I'm making a video. Haha, you guys are awesome, man. Thanks for coming back and watching. But let's get this turned around and let's see what's going on, man. Mr. Mach 1's pole barn. Alrighty then. So I'm gonna do up here in front by the garage doors when I'm done with the walls. But this is where I'm at right now. What I got going on. Like I said, I did a short. If you watched it, then you know. If you didn't, then you don't know. But I got, you know, up here to up here done on the back walls and everything. And I'm starting over here on the, we'll call it the west side of the barn. And I'm starting to work. And then as you can see, I'm getting right here. So here, and then I'm getting the wall up here. So we're getting closer to the top. Problem is that my knees don't work good on a ladder. So I'll probably have to get somebody over here to help. I'll cut, they slide in. I mean, it's not hard. But that's basically where I'm at right now. And then the very, very, very top, I got to cut the squares out and put them up in there too, because I'm doing this right. No halfing it. So, like I said, I got this, and then go down and start working around. And like I said, the last 2 layers on top, which that's probably an 8.5, 9 inch at the very top right there. So you got 20.5, 20.5, and then probably 8.5 or 9 inches up there, I'm guessing. And then right here on this, on the sidewalls, they're 20.5 around. So I'm working on it. Got a little plan going. And I think up here in the rafters, I'm gonna get the insulation that's pink in the paper, and I'm gonna put that up there in the rafters before I put the ceiling up. And that's gonna be the pain. So yeah, we still got a little while to go though. But man, it's been hot, but my fans, they're helping me out 100%. Woo-wee! Dad's been out here helping, you know, probably just supervising, I guess. Anyhow, I really appreciate you guys coming back watching, gals and guys, watching my videos. There's a lot of work to this. And I don't do this kind of work, but I'm learning really quick that I don't want to do this again. But anyhow, you guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you come tell me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Peace.